Hey guys, how's it going? I hope it's going well. Today I've got another video for you, and today we're going to look at the Manager module where you can browse, sort, and compare all of your photos. So let's go check it out. Okay, so right now I'm in the Manager module, and the main part of the Manager module that you'd like to be aware of is on the left side here, which is called the Navigator. And here you'll find all of your photo disks and folders. And when you want to find something, one surefire way to do it is just go here to My PC, and you can see all of your files here. For example, I've got my SD card inserted into the computer, and it's called Lumix right here. And when I open that, right here in the middle of the Manager module itself, you can see all of my thumbnails as well as folder views. And to save these photos from the memory card onto your computer, simply go down here and click on Import at the bottom left. And to organize your photos faster and better, you can start by importing one of these drives here into the catalog. The catalog itself is a more complex animal, and so we'll be diving into that in more depth in a future video. But just know that when you add your files, folders, and pictures into the catalog, you'll be able to view them much faster. And when you're working with raw files, you'll be able to access them quicker thanks to preloading. Moving on to the middle area of the Manager module, you'll see that here I can see all of the thumbnails. That's where they live. And just to view them, you can simply double click on one of them, and it'll pop up like this. And at the bottom, you can see the film strip and the image you clicked on in full size. Now I'll go back just by clicking on Browser. And here next to the Preview button, you'll find the Viewer button, which will expand the given photograph in a separate window, and you'll be able to see it in full size. And you can either click on it or use the keyboard shortcut F3. And in this viewer, you can even launch a slideshow down here. You can check your pictures for overexposure. And then there are other features here too, like rotating, printing, and sharing directly on social media and networks. And to leave this viewer, you can simply click Escape. Now that we're back in the browser mode, you'll also find a map mode, which shows you where exactly the pictures were taken. However, to have it automatically function like this, you'll need a camera that automatically inserts that data for you. If your camera doesn't do that though, don't worry, you can do it manually here by yourself and put it on the map so you can find it in the future. And to do that, just simply insert the relevant information right here into the GPS data. Or for a much simpler way of doing the same thing, just click and drag your picture onto the physical location on the map where the photo was taken, and all the coordinates will be updated accordingly. So let's go back to the browsing mode. You can see that here on the right, you can change the title of your picture, description, keywords, as well as the GPS information I mentioned earlier. As you've probably noticed, here at Zonar Photo Studio, we like to use keyboard shortcuts. And in order to give your photograph a rating or a label, you can either click on the stars or color here, or you can use our keyboard shortcuts, which are simply 1 through 5. And to do the same thing with the label colors, simply hold Shift and then select your desired color using the numbers. Above the description and information panel, we'll find the part of the Manager module that has really quick options like rotating the picture, auto enhancement, and the batch filter. This comes in really handy when you have a huge amount of photographs from some event you photographed or on your vacation, and you can apply some general filters and presets to all of your photos at once instead of going through each one separately, which can be a huge headache. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you spend some time going through the Manager module, and see you in the next video. Bye.